Alright, Tristan just re-lubricated and re-greased my Hoover Model 105.
Everything I've oiled up. See, these old Hoovers, they do not have bearings. They're only 725. They do have ball bearings. These actually have bushing, so you take your fan off and you put a couple drops of oil around that, and then it'll seep down in there, as well as a little hole right here. And so basically, the only thing that's got ball bearings on these, or bearings, is the brush roller there. So here's how it sounds now. Gotta oil the wheels up just a little bit. Bristles are worn out, but what do you expect?
Yeah.
It picks up.
Sounds a lot better.
Yeah, it does. It's got a shoot sound. There you go.
Thanks for watching. Here's Tristan with this Hoover Model 102.
Yeah, so basically I did the same thing as to his 105, and so I did to the 102. The 102, this is a very interesting impeller fan thing. It's very different than, you know, you have a traffic can. So here we go with the 102. Much higher pitch, isn't it?
Yeah.
It doesn't surge anymore.
Not like it used to.
Huh?
Not like it used to.
No, it used to go like high and low, high and low. And that sounds like how it should now.
Yeah. They both sound, they have a lot more of a similar sound than they used to.
Yeah, they do.
Before the 105 sounded very different, but now that they're both lubricated, they sound pretty much the same other than the pitch.
Yeah, now it sounds much healthier. It doesn't sound so low.
Yeah.
100-year-old back using this, what, 97?
Mine, the 105 is about 98, and this 102 is 100.
Yeah. Look at it, it's effective from the puppet.
Doing a really good job. Does better than a modern one. Well, does better than the cheap plastic things you find at Walmart.
Oh yeah, definitely. It's easy, probably, still use this thing.
Yeah, if you wanted
I wouldn't.
if you really wanted to, you could. That's the 102. Thanks for watching.